Hello, welcome in Johannesburg, South Africa. My name is 16 and I am the brand ambassador for two wonderful champagne brands, Mumm and Paris Jouet.
I discovered the wine and spirit industry during my studies in Reims Neoma Business School, where I specialized in marketing and champagne management, and through an experience managing a Nicolas wine store. Before applying to the VIE program, I had also done 2 internships at Pernod Ricard, which convinced me that it was the company where I wanted to develop my career. I am part of a team of 8 brand ambassadors, all passionate about our products. Our main goal is to create moments of conviviality and spread the love of our brands all over the country. Indeed, I travel a lot between Cape Town, Durban and Joburg, the 3 main cities in South Africa. I play a big role in educating our customers, teaching them what is champagne and the specificities of Mumm and Paris Jouet, in close relation with sales and marketing teams. My objective is also to build a network of high net worth individuals, influencers, journalists, bloggers, through champagne tastings, dinners, or any educative brand experiences. The aim is that each person who is attending my tasting become ambassador of the brand. I also represent the brand in all touchpoints among the Pernod Ricard local teams, consumers, clients, but also among medias like participating in TV shows, radio interviews. Now, why do I love my job? 1, I'm always meeting new people and discovering new places all over South Africa. 2, I develop my entrepreneurial spirit managing projects from scratch with the help of the different Pernod Ricard departments: sales, trade marketing, prestige team. 3, I work with a wonderful team of young and dynamic ambassadors. Also, I feel grateful to live in such a wonderful country. Nature is absolutely stunning. South Africans are particularly friendly, and the history of South Africa makes this country and its people really interesting and endearing. This VIE program by Pernod Ricard gives opportunities of unique experiences abroad to develop yourself personally and professionally. The spirit of conviviality makes Pernod Ricard a great place to work. I would definitely recommend the VIE program with Pernod Ricard.